Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting a reel, quickly and easy. So, let's proceed. First, open your Instagram app. After that, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Alright, now find the reel you want to add collaborators. Tap on it. Alright, after that, tap the 3 dots in the bottom right corner of the reel. Select manage, then tap edit, then just tap tag people. And here, just like I said, you will see 2 options, tag people and invite collaborators. So we will choose invite collaborators. Alright, now search for the user you want to invite and tap their name to select them. After selecting, just save the changes. Alright, after that, your invited collaborators will be notified that you invited them to collaborate on your reel. If they accept, your reel will appear on their profile picture as well. Alright, so you know how to invite collaborators to your reels on Instagram. So, that's it.